wife and I broke down and we finally bought ourselves a UTV. We got a good deal. We bought it used. Let's see, it still has the rental number on it. Our neighbor right over there actually works for the rental company, and we got a pretty good deal on it. It's got a dump bed on it for the wife, and anyway, we're real happy with it. It's missing one thing though. It's missing a rear view mirror, so let's get it installed. Well, if you own a Kubota or a UTV or a Gator or any one of those things, I'm sure you know how to do stuff. So I'm not gonna try to tell you how to do this stuff. I'm just gonna do it. And so first thing we're gonna do, get the clamps in place. Now it's got a flat side and a curved side. I'd elected to put the flat side up. And then also I decided to put the right hand clamp pretty much on the center line. You're so close up to it that it'll be right in your teeth if you try to move it over, and it won't. I don't think it looks right. So anyway, let me get this. It's a simple 2 clamp, 2 bolts, 2 lock washers, 2 nuts. I'm actually going to no, I can't because it'll grip it. There's not a lot to this. I'll get them started and then I'll position it better. This is just easier for me to work on like this. So, and I'm putting this here in between here so it gets a pretty good grip on it. And I'm coming from the top down with the nut or the bolt, so, and I don't think that matters one way or another, whatever you want to do. This is kind of a pain getting these guys lined up and then over, but of course as soon as I say it, it goes on like a dream. We'll get it started, then we'll go back. I gotta do this. Sorry, my hand's in the way, but I can't get to it with my left hand. Okay, so now I'm going to position it to where I want it and tighten her down. I'm going to have to grip it. Let me get a little grip on it here. It's just a little too loosey-goosey. Ratchet needs a little oil. There we go, we're starting to get some grip there. So let me get that positioned where I want it, that positioned, and we'll tighten this guy up a bit. Make sure it's where I want it. That's where I want it. And we are good to go. Okay, let me tighten it up and then I'll bring you back for final thoughts on this. Okay, I just took it for a little drive around the property here, and I wanted to try to give you what the field of view is going to be when you're looking back. From a vibration standpoint, not bad at all. I mean, this is a diesel and it vibrates and the whole rig vibrates, so overall, not bad. Installation, not bad. Quality, not bad. Again, there'll be a link in the description below as to where I bought this and how much I paid for it. So, Try to get you a couple more shots. Is it the absolute perfect solution for this? I don't know, but we did make progress. Thanks for watching.